Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel NutureMind, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of capsicum. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Capsicum. Capsicum belongs to the Capsicum genus. It is not as sweet as other bell peppers. Capsicum is a type of green pepper. The flavor of capsicum is mild. Capsicum contains capsaicin, an odorless, tasteless phytochemical, which produces the chili pepper heat. It also is used as a capsule for medicinal purposes. Capsicum also comes in red, orange, and yellow color. The health benefits of capsicum include relief from stomach issues, back pain, muscle spasms, headaches, skin aging, peptic ulcers, menopausal problems, lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and diabetes. It has inflammatory and analgesic properties and may also provide relief from pain related to arthritis. Capsicum also helps in fibromyalgia and psoriasis, treats anemia. Capsicum contains iron, which prevents from iron deficiency and treats anemia. Improves your eyesight. Capsicum contains vitamin C and carotenoids, which prevent cataract, muscular degeneration, and other eye problems. Hair growth. Capsicum contains vitamin C and iron, which promotes hair growth, regulates blood flow to the scalp, strengthens hair follicles, and makes hair stronger and shinier. Improves immunity. Capsicum contains vitamin C, antioxidants, beta carotenes, and vitamin K, which promote WBC, removes toxins from the body, protects the body from bacterial and viral infections. It also prevents intestinal diseases, boosts the immune system, heals wounds faster, and reduces the risk of joint damage and arthritis, maximizing your bone health. Skincare. Capsicum contains phytochemicals and oxidants, which keep your skin nourished and young. It also contains iron, which prevents rashes, blemishes, reduces free radicals. Capsicum also reduces the early symptoms of aging and keeps your skin beautiful and young. Reduces inflammation and swelling. Capsicum can act as a moisturizer, which helps to treat Crohn's disease and arthritis. Combat cancer. Capsicum contains petrolite, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which reduce the risk of cancer and prevent cancer symptoms from developing. Prevents obesity. Capsicum promotes better digestion, makes feel full for longer, avoids overeating, prevents digestive issues, and has low calories, thus reducing the risk of obesity. Respiratory illness. Capsicum contains flavonoids, which prevent respiratory illness, forms mucilage. Capsicum contains tannins, which prevent gastrointestinal disorders such as diarrhea, dysentery, and other microbial disorders. It also protects the gastric lining and prevents peptic ulcer development. Capsicum also increases the nasal drainage as it contains phytochemical capsaicin, improves heart health. Capsicum contains flavonoids which prevent coronary heart disease. It contains vasodilative properties which improve blood flow and hypotension. Antioxidant agent. The bioactive compounds found in capsicum contains antioxidant effects which protect and repair tissues and DNA damage. Hypoglycemic. Capsicum is considered as hypoglycemic medicine, which helps to treat diabetes. It improves insulin production and reduces the symptom of type 2 diabetes. Treats fibromyalgia. Capsicum treats symptoms of fibromyalgia and has shown beneficial effects of improvement of sleep. Treat diabetic neuropathy. Capsicum treats diabetic neuropathic pain. It works to deaden the cutaneous nerve endings and reduces the pain. Relieves menopausal symptoms. Capsicum gives relief in menopausal symptoms as it contains flavonoids. How to buy and store capsicum. Buy capsicum that are thick, firm, and bright with glossy skin. Avoid capsicum that are shriveled and have soft spots. Store capsicum in a refrigerator in a plastic bag and use within 5 days. Safety profile. Side effects of consuming capsicum can include skin irritation, burning, and itching. Capsicum can also be extremely irritating to the eyes, nose, and throat. Don't use capsicum on sensitive skin or around the eyes. Eating excess of capsicum can damage liver or kidney. Other side effects are pregnancy and breastfeeding. It is not advised to consume capsicum when you are pregnant or breastfeeding. It can cause skin irritation, damaged or broken skin. Do not use capsicum on damaged or broken skin. Surgery. Capsicum might increase bleeding during or after surgery. Stop using capsicum at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Fun facts about capsicum. Capsicums are actually fruits but are mostly prepared as vegetables. Though they belong to the same family of chili peppers, capsicums are sweet in taste. A capsicum is a species of fruit that is popularly eaten as a vegetable and is native to tropical areas of North and South America. Capsicums are also known as peppers, sweet peppers, and bell peppers. The scientific name of a common capsicum is Capsicum annuum, and it is from the family of Solanaceae, the family of nightshades. The color of capsicums range greatly, though they are very commonly red, green, or yellow in color. But purple, brown, white, and orange varieties are also available. China is the largest producer of capsicums in 2007, with a total production of 1,40,33,000 tons. Out of the world total, 2,60,56,900 tons. Red capsicums compared to green, orange, and yellow ones are the sweetest, especially if they are not picked until ripe, while the green-colored fruit are the least sweet and are often just unripened red fruit. It is thought that capsicums were first cultivated around 5000 BC, and the first European to discover the fruit was Christopher Columbus when he visited the West Indies. Capsicums or sweet peppers are unusual in that they do not contain capsaicin, which gives others in the genus of the same name, including chili peppers, a hot, spicy flavor. Capsicums are extremely high in vitamin C and high in vitamin A, and depending on the variety, they may also contain significant quantities of vitamin B6 and K and folate, and they also contain many other vitamins and minerals. Capsicums are eaten both raw and cooked, often as a side vegetable, especially due to vegetables' crispiness. Bell pepper, also called as sweet pepper, or capsicum, is a pepper cultivar in the nightshade family, Solanaceae. Botanically speaking, bell peppers are fruits. However, they are considered vegetables in culinary contexts. Capsicum name comes from the Greek word "kapto", which means to bite, while pepper comes from the similarity in taste with black pepper. They are native to Central and South America. The oldest found capsicum was discovered in the remains of pottery from Puebla and Oaxaca, today's federal districts of Mexico. Bell pepper seeds were later carried to Spain in 1493 and from there spread to other European and Asian countries. The misleading name pepper, pimiento in Spanish, was given by Christopher Columbus upon bringing the plant back to Europe. At the time, peppercorns, black pepper and piper nigrum were highly prized condiment. Despite their widespread acceptance today, bell peppers were initially very unpopular in Europe. The mild bell pepper cultivar was developed in 1920s in Szeged, Hungary. Bell pepper grows on a short bush which can grow up to 1 meter, that is 3.3 feet, and which has a white flower. The most common colors of bell peppers are green, yellow, orange, and red. More rarely, brown, white, lavender, and dark purple peppers can be seen, depending upon the variety. Bell peppers may be eaten cooked or raw, such as in salads. Bell peppers are used in almost every aspect of cooking you can think of. One of the more famous dishes highlighting the bell peppers is stuffed bell peppers. You can also dry or pickle bell peppers. There are only 20 calories in 100 grams, that is 3.5 ounces of bell pepper. Bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin A in the form of carotenoids, vitamin C and vitamin B6. They are also very good source of folate, molybdenum, vitamin E, dietary fiber, vitamin B2, pantothenic acid, niacin, and potassium. Additionally, they are a good source of vitamin K, manganese, vitamin B1, phosphorus, and magnesium. The health benefits of bell peppers include reducing bad cholesterol, control diabetes, bring relief from pain and ease inflammation, boosting immune system, good for nervous system, and help renew cells, keeping skin and hair look youthful, maintaining eye health, and play a protective role in certain types of cancers. While the bell pepper is a member of the Capsicum amys genus, like the hot chili peppers, it is the only variety that doesn't produce any capsaicin, which is the compound that is the heat in chili peppers. China is the world's largest producer of bell peppers, followed by Mexico, Turkey, Indonesia, and the United States. Packages of 3 bell peppers, green, yellow, and red, are sometimes sold as traffic light peppers. The highest amount of vitamin C in the bell pepper is concentrated in the red variety. Bell peppers can stay refrigerated for 5 days if it is placed in a plastic bag. Green peppers last longer than ripened ones. If they are frozen, they can last much longer. To like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.